Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I want to share my Father's Day cards for 2025. And it's a really simple card, nothing, you know, too complicated. I went simple. I used some Michael's, no, it's not Michael's. It's Hobby Lobby paper. Both of them, the wood grain and also the checks. Um, I was thinking this is like a grilling Father's Day card, and I wanted checks, but my husband's favorite color is blue, so I used the blue one instead of the red for a cookout or picnic or whatever. And then I used a what is this one called? This one is a impression obsession die. Also, this is a impression obsession die as well. Um, I inked the edges, everything with black, with vintage photo and a little bit of walnut stain. And then this came from a set that I just got not too long ago. Um, it is it is a Chinese Alina Cuddle is a China company, and it had this die set, so you don't have to take your stamps off the block, and this is like one set, one complete stamp set. They're not individually, so you can cut them out perfectly. So I was like, oh, this is perfect. And it has all kinds of sentiments. Happy Father's Day, Mother's Day, made with love, a gift for you, happy birthday, wish you a wonderful day. And then this one has different. Happy wedding, I'm happy for you. Celebrate your day in style. That's different. Um, Everything will be fine. Thinking of you always. You look younger than ever. Happy birthday. Thanks for this unforgettable moment. So there's just sentiments in here that I wouldn't have guessed, and it would be really nice to stamp out. Um, but this is the die that really caught my eye when I saw it on Amazon. So um, that is that. Um, and that is my card for Father's Day. So I just want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and wishing all the fathers out there a happy Father's Day. So thanks everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.